Dang it, I have a history of the universe paper due in 20 minutes. How will I ever write the entire history of the entire universe in 20 minutes?
I know of a service that can get you much more than 20 minutes. It's called RailRocket.
Introducing RailRocket Transport. Forget about deadlines, stress, and lack of sleep. With our homework help service, you will be able to get all of your work done and still have time to play Dota.
We'll put you on a rocket that'll move so fast, time will pass more slowly in your reference frame, giving you more time to get stuff done. Our rockets can move at 3 different speeds. Choose the one that's right for you and your wallet.
This is not your mama's average tutoring service. If you sign up with us, you get to rent out a rocket of your choosing and take it for a spin around the globe. We offer a variety of rockets designed for different tastes. Each is equipped with a personal study lounge, bathroom, and Wi-Fi.
So in case we haven't convinced you already to try our service, I'll show you exactly why it works with math. So our ships start at planet Earth, like we all do, and they take a trip to our star called Death Star. At the same time, after they reach Death Star, they return to Earth. So, from our example here, we'll be traveling at a velocity of 0.5 c. And the distance from Earth to Death Star and back, we've already determined is 10 light years. So what we want to do is figure out the time that you would save if you were relative to Earth if you had traveled on the ship, because a time dilation will occur here. And a time dilation is when you're not in the proper reference frame, time will appear to have gone slower. So while you're cramming your homework on the rocket ship, you'll actually be experiencing less time than someone on Earth relative to the Earth. And I'll explain later that the opposite is not true for someone on Earth relative to the rocket ship. It just doesn't switch. So showing you the math here with the time dilation. We've already determined our gamma value to be 1 over 0.866. And our time, because all of our trips are 1 hour relative to the Earth, is 3,600 seconds, minus our velocity of 0.5 c relative to the Earth over c squared times our distance that we've already determined is 10 light years. So solving this, we've already determined that you would get 4,151.27 seconds if you were on the rocket ship relative to the Earth, which would give you a lot more time to do your homework. So, as I mentioned, the rocket ship travels from Earth to Death Star and back. And the reason that you save time is because, or you get more time, is because you're using the Earth's reference frame, which is the only proper reference frame for this situation. On the other hand, you can't use the rocket's reference frame to say that you would save time on Earth. And the reason this is true is because in the rocket's reference frame is a non-inertial reference frame. And in special relativity, only inertial reference frames are valid for all of the rules. The reason that this is a non-inertial reference frame is because the velocity is not constant. Our rocket ship here will go around until it reaches Death Star, and once it turns around, it's accelerating. It's no longer at a constant velocity. And for that reason, you cannot use the rocket's reference frame to determine how much time you would be allotted for your homework on Earth relative to the rocket ship. So it's only valid relative to planet Earth on our rocket ship, which is why we encourage you to use our service.
That sounds awesome, but how much does it cost? Depending on what speed you want, prices are only $50, $70, or $90 plus expenses. Expenses may include water, Wi-Fi, pilot salary, and rocket fuel. But don't just take our word for it. Here's what some of our most valued customers have to say about RailRocket.
RailRocket Transport has helped me tremendously. You see, I was trying to catch up on all the episodes of Glee, right? And the drama between Finn and Rachel was getting so intense, I did not know what to do, so I had to keep watching all the episodes, right? And I was only on episode 25, and then I had 3 more episodes to watch before the season would be over, so I didn't know what to do. So then I was not getting my homework done, and my teachers were calling my parents, and I didn't know what to do, so they started emailing them too. So then I kept getting all these, my parents kept telling me over and over again, I need to stop watching Glee and keep doing my homework, but I didn't have time to do my homework because I had to catch up on Glee, see? So I was worrying about catching up on Glee at the same time and doing my homework. So then I heard about RailRocket Transport, and with RailRocket Transport, I save all this extra I have all this extra time to do my homework, and I can watch Glee at the same time. I watch Glee on Earth. I do my homework on the rocket. The study environment makes me very productive. I recommend you use the service.
Thanks to this procrastination service, my life has improved exponentially. My love life is greater, my school life is greater, everything is just fabulous. My grandma even came back from the dead.
So why spend now doing work? you could put it off until later.
Are you doing homework?
No, I have Rail Rocket.
I love Rail Rocket Transport.